Huh? Nah, because I mean you got to do your roof. But look though, yeah, we back in the yard, bro. Feel me? Fuck around with the yard, you feel me? We done let Curry put the whole front end on this bitch, you feel me? When that fucker, bro, he slapped the whole front end on your shit. He might charge a grip, but he gonna do your shit right, you feel me? Look though, he gonna charge a grip, but he gonna do your shit right though, you feel me? See that? Tell him, bro.
No, this was broke. Capping. Evan,
This
nigga,
bitch ain't even. Hey, and it wasn't no front end or nothing on this car, bro.
you
already know.
Tell him tap in.
For real though, he gonna charge. I told y'all he gonna charge a grip, but he gonna do it right, bro. You see how this shit lined up?
Tell you, we gonna need a couple wrecks off the back.
Nigga gon' hey. That's just on the yard side of things.
Like it's next.
You feel me? Big Bird think he down there working, he not working really.
For sure not. You up under there trying to.
You feel me, little 1, 2.
Gotta put the one back here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, I ain't put that one in
here.
either. You got those though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all might be missing screws from the SS though, but you know where they at. Type shit. What you gonna do? Buy him a new set of screws? Open the door.
I'm running around without no glass.
All the way.
I'm trying to get this new piece. You need to come on $40.
What? That console? Oh, the gear shit. You got all that, don't you? Oh, you extra. That's a bezel. Oh, for them gray. It is. But it got the plugs down there? Fuck is wrong with a bitch? Nigga out here in the yard. Hey, start this bitch up. Come on, we about to dip. No, we about to dip, bro. This bitch wanted up.